You're gonna come out and bite me. Please don't. I love you. Hey, thanks for the sticker, Ed. I look rough. They delivered her at 8 o'clock this morning. I pray she's all right. She had a rough night. How you doing, little one? You are chilly. Are you okay? Are you all right? Ooh, it's cold in there. What'd they do? Put you in the refrigerator? You're awful cold. Somebody peed in her bag, too. I smell it. Please be all right. She's not moving at all. Well, if you're not moving and you got cold, I guess I'll have to warm you up, huh? Please be okay, little lady. She's really cold. Can I touch you? Can I bring you out? You peed in your bag. Hi! I'm shaking. I'm so excited. She's fine, Ed. Oh my God. Somebody peed in her bag, and yeah, you did. What a way to welcome me with a bag full of pee. Huh? Aren't you gorgeous? Aren't you beautiful? This has got to be better than the night you had, pretty lady. This has got to be better than the rough night you had. Yeah. She's heavy. Look at you. Aren't you beautiful? Yes, you are. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm sorry you had a rough night. She got stuck at the hub in Indiana, so she didn't move out until the early this morning. But she just came in not very long ago, probably about half an hour ago she arrived, and these idiots left her sitting outside the door. It's a good thing I keep my computer on to track these guys. Well, hello. Hi. Hello. Hey there. You're so pretty, girl. Yes, you are. We're going to get along great. Yes, we are. We're going to get along beautiful. See, wow, something warm holding me. There you go. She's gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful girl. You guys that aren't attending the auctions on Genetic Hunter's site on YouTube, you're missing out on some beautiful deals and some gorgeous snakes. Look at that face. You are beautiful. Yes, you are. You peed in your bag. No wonder you're cold. You're a pretty girl. Yes, you are. I've already given you a name. I decided to give you a very classy southern female name, Lydia. Does that look like a Lydia? She looks like a Lydia. Yes, she does. And she's fine. The tongue's working overtime already. I got your house all warmed up and set up for you. It has been for 2 days. So we're going to let you relax for a little while. I'm going to hold you to warm you up some, and then I'll put you into your house, which is nice and toasty warm. So, well, this place is new and different. Say, this is different here. Yes, it is. Huh? Aren't you gorgeous? Isn't she beautiful? I'm sorry I look rough. I haven't been up very long. I took a 2-hour nap overnight. I kept tracking her, following her in. I just got the notification she was just delivered, and I was right out the door because they didn't knock on my door, which is typical of FedEx. I have one carrier that always brings my stuff right to the door and brings it in for me, but this early morning stuff, they aren't as particular. Now, I know they said you ate Friday. You just forget about the warmth of my arm. Yeah. She is gorgeous. Look at that. We're going to get along beautiful. Yes, we are. You're a gorgeous girl. And I love you to death. I love you. Yeah. We're going to get along great. Yes, we will. We'll get along just fine. Yeah. You are beautiful. You're right, Ed. She is very mellow and very calm. And after what she went through last night, I'm really surprised she's not stressed out. You know, the last few snakes I got shipped to me weren't stressed out at all. That tells you a lot about the breeder and how these snakes live before you got them, before they shipped out. Now you get a snake in that's hyper and stressed out to the hilt. There was something going on there before that snake got put in the box and got shipped out. I got her in her new house. Let's go see how she's doing. How you doing, lady? So I'm checking everything out in here. I got both lights on because this one over here is a daylight halogen. I'm trying to warm her up some. She was pretty chilly. This is just temporary until we get all the enclosures moved out into the snake room. It should be within a couple of weeks, but she's got plenty of room in here. She's just exploring everything. There's my big girl, Tawny. I see you peeking at me. She's over 5 feet. She's looking to breed again this year. Mama's not breeding her anymore because she had a bad clutch and she had a rough time with it, so I'm not letting her breed again. And this is young ball pythons with the divider in the bottom one. Hi, what are you doing, Tawny? Hi, pretty girl. You peeking at me? Yeah, that was a new snake. She's exploring everything. And yes, I put tape on the sides of the glass panels because if I don't, some of my snakes are smart enough to know if they rattle the glass, headbutt it, it irritates me and I have to get up and take them out for a while. So they're smart. They're really intelligent animals. They figured out that if I shake that glass enough, it'll get on her nerves and she'll come take me out. And it works every time. So now instead of using the lock pegs on top and those little holes, this is what I do. Gorilla tape around the end of each piece of glass. This is a really big enclosure. It just didn't look big from where I was standing, but she's checking it out. Yeah, it's pretty, huh? Got a nice big wooden hide. And that should make you comfortable because there was another ball python adult in it at one time. But she is beautiful. Big girl. I love my big ball pythons. She's got plenty of room. I had to take her water dish out. First thing she did when I put her in was dive bomb in it and flip it over. So I had to clean that up, take her back out. But she was fine with coming back out. She's a lover. She loves being held. So we're going to get along beautiful. Yes, we are. You need to relax. I know you were in a box since yesterday, but you got room to move around now. Relax some. It's good to see her moving around. I'm grateful for that. Could have been a lot worse, but I just let her explore. That's what she's doing, checking everything out. So I'm real curious about this place. Yes, I am. I'm real curious about this new place. How beautiful. How beautiful you are. Hey. You've got a name here. Your name is Lydia. She is beautiful. She has a lot more room here, it looks like. These are really deep cages, as you can see. They go way back. So she's got plenty of room in here to roam around. This is a 3-stack. I've got a 4-stack in the bathroom. Got all these big ones over here. I got big ones over there. A Grumpy down there. He's been begging to come out this morning. Me going back and forth. Tipper, as usual, slid the hide over. Now he's hiding behind it. I need to clean the fingerprints off my glass, but it's impossible to keep them spotless. It just doesn't work that way. There's Fade. Move Ginger down here. Tipper's up there. Grumpy's over here until we can move this stack out into the new snake room, and then we're building a new, bigger enclosure here just for Grumpy. That'll connect to the outdoor enclosure, so he can go back out there this spring and summer. Oh yeah, she's gonna be fine. And of course, not Grumpy, Chewy, he's trying to shed. He primes for about 3 weeks for a shed, so he's being lazy, not doing much. And these fur balls, these lazy fur balls, huh? Say, what? That was a pretty snake, huh? Yeah. Life. harmless animal. Handle with care. I so love it when breeders send that in their packages. That says it all. Live, harmless animal. Handle with care. If that doesn't say it all, no better words were ever spoken. Beautiful. List of feeding schedules. Now that's a good breeder. That's one that really cares about the animals, that gives you their feeding schedule. Excellent. Enchi, Pastel, X-Normal. Excellent. Now I keep a journal on my snakes. If I notice any changes in their feeding habits, I note that. And this is really the proper way to raise snakes, especially babies. You know, because if there comes a time you ever have to take your snakes to a vet for something that's not, they're not acting right, or you're having real issues with their health or something, this is the best thing in the world you can have to take with you to show your vet what's been going on, what changes have taken place, and to the advantage of the animal. The vet has more information on it than just hearsay. But these records and journals are very, very important to your snakes, especially if you have to take them to a breeder, a veterinarian, or selling them to someone else. They need to know. I love this fluff that everybody's using to pack them. You're nice and warm, look at you. Oh, I forget the plastic coat to put you in. I took one out. What did I do with it? Well, you guys are really, really warm. Holy moly. No doubt about you staying warm in here. Yeah. Heat pack down in there. Let me get out my plastic coat to put. You get away. Yeah, I'm moving slow today. I always, my first hour or two every morning's really rough because I have spine damage, so I don't move really fast when I'm doing anything. See how we're doing. Look at you. I found it's easier just to cut the tape and stuff off the bags than it is to fight with the bags. I just make sure the baby's down low on the bag. I hate to waste the bags because they're really nice, but gosh, they're a pain in the behind to open sometimes. Where's my scissors? Be sure all your digits are down, including your head and tail. And yes, I'm a little shaky. Someone put a smart-ass remark on one of my videos. Me opening up a snake like this. I don't know about you. Did anybody else get nervous with her cutting the bag? First of all, if I weren't confident and I weren't able, and I was concerned about the animal, I wouldn't attempt to open a bag with a pair of scissors or a knife that contained a living animal. People realize how stupid they sound making comments like that. You know, I don't know what to tell you. See, it's easy. Just make sure no part of the snake is up into the upper part where it's bound together. You want the snake completely in the bottom of the bag. Moron could figure that out. For people that like to make rude comments and stuff. We got you started. No, I'm not in a hurry because I don't rush to do anything, especially when it pertains to the life of an animal. So if you're in a hurry to see me open these up, I guess you can skip for a while on the video because I'm not going to do this in a hurry to please other people. That's not the way it functions. All down in the bottom. You gonna wiggle for me? You gonna wiggle a little bit for me? You are nice and warm. Look at you. Oh yeah. I'm warm. I came in just fine. She didn't cut off my tail. She didn't cut off my head opening the bag. For the idiots that always have something stupid to remark about. But let me slide you over here and show the awesome breeder that sent them to me. That they are in fantastic shape. See that? I'm hiding, so that means I'm definitely a normal snake. Typical ball python. Look how pretty you are. Welcome to your new home. See, yeah, I'm nice and warm. You're not upset either. You know, it's amazing. You see some snakes come in from breeders and they're just totally freaking out, stressed out. Now, this is the second one I've received recently through shipping that was just as relaxed, calm, no stress at all. So that tells you all you need to know about the breeder of these snakes. That they're properly cared for prior to being shipped, and they're being shipped in excellent condition and under excellent circumstances. Now, how's that? How's that for a pretty healthy baby? Look at you. You all fall in love with me the minute I get you. None of them try to flee. None of them try to leave me. They're all just happy sitting here with me. No stress at all. That's what you want to see. That tells you so much about the breeder that these snakes come from. That they're content. They're not stressed out. Even through a long trip, traveling. They're not snippy. They're not defensive. That's a content, happy snake. And a beautiful little lady, may I add. Yes, you are. See, I'm not freaking out. I'm not nervous. People think I'm crazy. Snakes can tell a lot about you as a person. Aren't you pretty? Look at that. Aren't you beautiful? You're a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Thank you so much. Tim, they're gorgeous. I'll get the other one out in a minute. I'm sure she's fine too. Beautiful. Yes, you are. I love the normals. I always have. Just something, you know. They were here first. That's the way I look at it. Put a little bit of your fiber in here in the plastic tote with you so you can get all cozy. I'll take your other one out. Your other buddy here. I'll put this in here so you be cozy in here. Very nice. See how calm I am? That right there tells you everything you need to know about a breeder. How relaxed this snake is. How calm it is after it goes through shipping. That tells you everything you need to know.